So hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Hasta Education. So in this video I am going to discuss the basic equation for a resistor. Okay, so let's start the video. So here it is a resistor, and resistor is basically a two terminal electrical element. Okay, so it is the terminal A and this is the terminal B. Okay, so here it is the basic equation for the resistor. Okay, and this basic equation says that VA minus VB equal to the current which is flowing from A to B multiplied by the resistance value. Okay, so similarly, whenever you are writing VB minus VA, then you have to take that current which is flowing from B to A and you have to multiply that with the resistance value. Okay, so in general, Vx minus Vy is equal to the current which is flowing from X to Y multiplied by resistance value. Okay, so similarly, if you want to find out the current from A to B, then you have to write as Va minus Vb upon resistance value. Okay, similarly, if you want to find out the value of current from B to A terminal, then it will be I from B to A equals to Vb minus Va upon resistance value. Okay, so this is the very basic equation. Okay, this part you have to keep in your mind that whenever you are writing Va minus Vb, then you have to take that current which is flowing from A to B. Okay, so it is also written that please note that in order to find out the value of Va minus Vb, we have to take that current which is flowing from A to B. Okay, अगर आपको Va minus Vb फाइंड आउट करना है तो you have to take that current which is flowing from A to B. Okay, similarly if you want to find out Vx minus Vy, then you have to take that current which is flowing from X to Y and you have to multiply it by corresponding resistance value. Okay, so the next question arises that how to find out the direction and magnitude of current through a particular resistor. Okay, so in order to find out the current through a resistor, anyhow you have to find out the potential difference across its two terminals and you have to just divide it by the resistance value. Okay, and the direction of current is always from higher potential to lower potential side. Okay, the direction of current is always from higher potential to lower potential side. Okay, you have to just find out the potential difference. Okay, this is the very important thing, potential difference across the two terminals of the resistor. Okay, that's it, and just divide it by the resistance value, you will get the current. Okay, so let's see some of the examples. Okay, so let's say I have a resistance of this and the resistance value is, let's say, 5 ohm. Okay, and a current of, let's say, 3 ampere is flowing in this direction. Okay, from this to this, let's say this is the terminal A, this is the terminal B, and a current of 3 ampere is flowing from this A to B terminal. Okay, let's say I want to find out the value of Vb minus Va. Okay, then now tell me what will be the Vb minus Va. According to our formula, Vb minus Va says that the current which is flowing from B to A multiplied by the resistance value. Okay, so Vb minus Va will be the current which is flowing from B to A multiplied by the resistance value. Okay, so since a current 3 ampere flows from A to B, and that is equivalent to what? A current of minus 3 ampere flowing from B to A. Okay, so what is the current from B to A? That is the minus 5 ampere, and you have to multiply it by the resistance value. Okay, so it will be minus 5 R. Okay, In this way we have to apply this formula. Okay, so thank you for watching this video.